Yo, what's going on? Matt, Plastic Man on the forum. I'm going to give you a review on the JPD 100B, which is the Doppler and Angel sounds. I'll show you what you get in the pack. You pick them up on eBay for about 30, so it's not actually too expensive. In the package you get the Doppler itself, some gel. You only get 10 milliliters, not enough. We got another bottle of ultrasound gel, which was 1 litre. This one, 1 litre of ultrasound gel. That was a £5. That should last the whole term and more. Other than that, in the package you get the plug, you get the Doppler itself. This detaches. The plug lets it recharge. You've got rechargeable batteries in the back. It's got a screen on the front. Doppler, or the stick, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it the stick. Plug it into the bottom there. Then you plug it in, which I'm doing now. And you power the thing on. You get the little display which tells you beats per minute. You put the gel on here, rub it on the belly, and have a listen. I'm going to demonstrate to you now. So that'll display the fetal heart rate. As you can see, I'm tapping now, it's giving you the beat of my finger. Here you've got the volume controls. Yeah, that's that. Here you go, this is a demonstration coming up. Here it is, that's the screen. At the minute it says nothing. Let's go. And that was the demonstration. One thing I must point out that I forgot to mention at the beginning was it also has on the top this port, which is a microphone port. It allows you to link it to various devices on your computer. You can also link it to your iPhone, which will then work as like your hands-free kit. If you went on the iPhone app, if you went to voice memos, you'll be able to record it straight to your device. So any heartbeats that you pick up, you'll be able to record it straight to your phone. So yeah, that's the review. As I say, Plastic Man from the forum. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye. I also want to mention as well that this one apparently works you get it for about 10 weeks. Obviously not as strong as that, but yeah, 12 weeks is a good time to start. We're currently 18 weeks. That was actually our first attempt at using the machine. You've seen the results pretty much straight away. But yeah, from about 10-12 weeks, that's when you should be doing it. Any time before that, you can buy it, save it for when you want to use it, but you're not going to really pick anything up until afterwards. So yeah, bye.